James the Red Engine was angry. I have to collect coal all day today. Why can't Gordon do it? He's been banished to doing goods exclusively now. I've got my own work to do. Besides, I don't want to have to deal with Charlie. Who's Charlie? Charlie is one of the two engines that run the coal mine near the workstation. They were also employed to look after a small wharf located nearby. Trucks arrived at a siding at the workstation and were brought down by Charlie to the wharf to be stored. He brought return wagons back up and they were hitched to trains. This usually included coal trucks, but today James was in charge of big coal runs going all over the island, which meant he had to go down to the wharf himself. None of the big engines liked to see Charlie, as he was somewhat of a joker and immature. Well, if it is the Red Rocket himself, and I thought black didn't suit you. It doesn't, Charlie. Well, the lads here say they're gonna make sure you look blacker than them before the run is up. Joy. It's all fun and games, James. Maybe for you two chuckleheads, but I like my appearance. I think you like your paint a little more than that. I didn't know we could feel physical attraction. But then I heard the way you talk about yourself, James. You should really carry around a giant mirror. When will this train be loaded? It already is. Great, then get me out of here. James charged forward, just for his driver to squeal on the brakes and force the red engine back to the siding. I never said they were coupled and ready to go, though. Oh, you son of a bitch! Charlie and the crane howled with laughter as James stormed away, fuming.